How to advance your lead oligo candidates from discovery to market. Discovering a promising oligonucleotide is just the beginning. In today's fast-evolving research landscape, identifying a lead candidate that shows target specificity and biological stability sets the tone for everything that follows. But discovery alone isn't enough. It's how you move forward that defines success. Turning insight into action. Oligonucleotide optimization. Optimization transforms potential into performance. Whether it's enhancing nucleus resistance, improving delivery efficiency, or fine-tuning your sequence for maximum activity, every oligonucleotide needs precise engineering to unlock its full potential. It's a delicate blend of chemistry, strategy, and innovation. From bench to build custom oligosynthesis solutions. Once your sequence is defined, scalability becomes the next challenge. Custom oligosynthesis bridges the gap between bench-scale ideas and production-ready solutions. Quality, purity, and reproducibility aren't luxuries. They're non-negotiables at every step of the way. Oligo manufacturing process. Advanced oligonucleotide development demands more than just synthesis. From analytical characterization to regulatory-compliant documentation, the path to market requires a partner who understands every stage of your oligo's lifecycle. It's about building confidence into your product from start to finish. Your strategic partner, BOC Sciences Oligosynthesis Services. At BOC Sciences, we empower your lead oligo candidates from discovery through commercialization. With comprehensive oligonucleotide synthesis services, access to high-quality raw materials, and end-to-end cGMP oligo development, we bring unmatched value to your research and production journey. Whether you need milligram-scale support or large-scale manufacturing, we're ready to move your innovation forward. Contact BOC Sciences today, where oligo science meets seamless service.